What's up, you guys? Don't judge me. I did not make up my bed today because I was editing in bed all day. Anyways, I did just film a review style first impressions for those of you guys that keep up with the vlogs. Thank you. You probably already watched that. You know that I am currently on a fitness journey right now, and honestly, I'm at the point where if I have motivation towards something, I'm gonna do whatever it is that I could do to continue with that motivation on the right path. So right now I'm really into supplements, and I've always told you guys this before. I don't believe that you need supplements. You don't need to spend money on a diet plan to lose weight. You just need to show up in the gym, eat clean, do your thing. But for me, I like it because I feel like it gives me the extra boost to really get to my goals a little bit quicker. So with all that being said, I saw on Instagram there's a sale at GNC, so I'm gonna go there and pick up some more Alani Nu products because I really like the plant-based protein, which I just reviewed in that video, and obviously you guys know I'm a big fan of their pre-workouts, and I am running low on it, and I know that I use that every single time that I do a workout, so I'm always gonna need to have it on hand anyway, so might as well pick it up. So it's buy two get one free. So since I haven't really tried much Alani Nu, I think this will be a great time for me to try out other things. But let's go to the store before it gets too dark outside, as you could see, and I'm actually gonna go to the gym later tonight. I just ate a meal prep, so I can't really work out right now, and my video just went live, so what else is there to do but go to GNC? I don't know, but let's go. Oh my god, of course my battery is dying. I was shooting earlier today and forgot to swap that out, but ooh, my lips are looking juicy. You guys want to know what I'm using? Oh my god, it tastes really bomb. And this is Glow Recipes' latest product. It's called their Lip Pop, so I'll link it below. It has like an exfoliating aspect to it, but it's not like a sugar scrub like you would think of like an exfoliating lip product. It has AHAs, so my lips need it because I'm low-key really dehydrated, and the way that you can tell if you're dehydrated is if your lips are really dry and cracked. So we need to work on that, you guys. I never leave the house without water. I'm gonna do a late workout tonight, which I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't love night workouts, evening workouts, because the gym is a little bit more busy. But I like to start my day right, so I like to start my day with a good workout. That way I don't have to think about, oh, I need to go to the gym at some point. You know, it kind of eliminates the procrastination. So that's what works for me. But at the end of the day, as long as you get it in, it doesn't matter when you go, as long as you do it. Speaking of doing it, let me tell you guys my favorite song right now. I swear I listen to this song like 27 times a day, and it's so good for the gym. It's like the gym song to lift to do your cardio to stair step to, and it's by Big Sean. I Do It, but it's not the old I Do It. It's the new one with Lil Wayne and Lil Baby. It's so good. I'm at the point in my fitness journey where I will follow whatever train I am directed on, okay? So I'm gonna ride the wave of the motivation that I'm currently on, and right now it's all about supplements. And I mentioned this earlier before I left the house, but I don't know, like I just feel fit when I'm like mixing my pre-workout, or I'm taking my protein powders and I'm having those in between my meals, you know, and I'm cooking healthy foods. So for me, I'm all about the supplements right now, and I wasn't always like that. I think because I never really found ones that tasted good, that I actually enjoyed taking. Plus, not to mention they're really pricey. So I don't know, like it's just a lot. But right now I'm like all about it, so I'm gonna go get my freaking supplement game on and really kick my fitness journey in high gear. There are 4 months as of right now until summer, and I'm just putting the intention out there, you guys, that I'm going to look the absolute best I have ever looked in my entire life this summer. Last summer I said I wanted to have abs, and you know, it was a work in progress. We're still working for it, but we're gonna work even harder. And I get excited when I go to the gym. I feel good. I feel like my day is just so much better when I started out that way, and that's all that matters, is how you feel. Pay attention to the way that you feel when you do the things that you do. If it brings you joy to eat a bag of chips and sit on the couch and watch, you know, The Bachelor all day, okay, but like physically, mentally, how does that make you feel? Is it like short-term happiness, or is it gonna give you long-term happiness doing the things that you're doing? And you have to understand it's not gonna happen overnight, achieving those goals and getting those results that you want. You know what I mean? You gotta put in the work and the time and the dedication. And I've always said this, it's a work in freaking progress. It's gonna take a while. But guess what? Nothing worth having comes easy. I've learned to really enjoy the process to getting to the goal, and that makes it just easier. You know, it's a lot less stress on you to feel like, oh, I have to be here because I want abs. No, like, I'm here because I love it, and abs is just a benefit in the end, you know? So that's kind of where I had to switch my mindset to this journey that I'm on. It's a lot of mental clarity, and I'm happy that I'm at that point. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to make this light skirt. All right. So yeah, I just thought that I would share that little message because I've had to realize that on my own journey, and I know that some of you guys watching this are on your own journeys, and you can probably relate to that as well. And also in life in general, I have really been tested this year specifically because there's just been a lot going on, like YouTube wise, work wise, personal life wise, like family and friends and dating, and learning to balance everything and prioritize the things. That's the word, prioritize your life, and learning to use time management to your benefit. You know, like, we all have 24 hours in a day, just like Beyonce.
Incoming call from Daddy. Mobile, press U.
I'm gonna call him back really quick. I just know that my battery's gonna die. So much is happening. But yes, I've learned in the start of 2020 alone, like barely even starting this year, you know, time management really is important. I mean, I run my own brand and stuff, so I'm always on my shit, like organized to a T, you know, like I just enjoy planning my day and having structure. But when it comes down to really managing your time wisely, you know, prioritizing your health and fitness, prioritizing time to cook meals for yourself several times out of the day, prioritize your home management, making sure that your linens and your laundry is clean, your bills are paid, making sure that your dog is taken care of, prioritizing spending time with your family and your friends, and then dating on top of that. Like, there's a lot of things that go on in a person's life. So time management really is something that has been so crucial for me, that it has been fun. Shoot. Let me call my dad back because he left me a message, and when you leave a message, it's important, okay? Yo, tell me why my dad was just like, it looks like your
phone call completed.
It looks like your Valentine's Day went good. I can't have secrets from anybody in my life. Anyways, what was I talking about? Time management. So my mom and I always talk about this, you know, at the end of the day, people make time for the things that are important to them. And I've always stood by that. You know, relationships in your life, prioritizing, spending time. Like, we all have the same amount of time in our life. It's just a matter of what you want to do, what you feel like is worth your time. And for me, like, my love language is quality time. So I really value the fact that people want to, you know, take time out of their day to watch my video, or take time out of their day to come hang out with me, or take time out of their day to go for a hike with me. So for me, I value time so much, and that's why it's important to have structure and to be able to plan accordingly to no matter whatever it is that you do. You know, plan out your grocery list, plan out your meal plan so that you're not spending an extra amount of time trying to figure out what you're gonna eat for that week. That's why meal prep is so crucial for me. So time management really does play a huge role in everything that I do, and it allows me to do everything that I want to do within a week, within a day, depending on how much, you know, you want to break it down. So I kind of wanted to touch on that today too, because I have seen some comments from you guys saying, oh my gosh, I wish I could do all the workouts that you do and meal prep like you do, but I don't have the time. But at the end of the day, it's so important to invest in yourself, and this lighting is not it, but invest in yourself. It is not selfish. I understand that we all have things going on. Life is different for everybody. Some people have kids and all that stuff too, but you still need to take some time for yourself to recharge, you know, care for yourself, self-care, work out, get fit, stay healthy so that you can be the best version of yourself for your kids, for your man, for your mom, you know? So that's basically the gist of today's topic, and I didn't really have a plan to vlog today, but I definitely wanted to touch on that because I have been seeing some comments about you guys just wanting to start but you don't know where to start, and I always just say just start by starting. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. As long as you're doing something, guess what? You're already moving in the right direction towards those goals. So you're one step closer today than you were yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Wow, people are so nice. So apparently the sale was only online, but the guy working was like, ma'am, I will just do it for you in store. I was like, thank you so much, because I drove all the way out here. But anyways, I got 3 items, which I'll show you guys in the car, or maybe when I get home, I don't know. But it's so nice outside today. BC double A's. I know he did not just say, excuse me, babe. Pre-workout. The balance. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So let me just tell you guys right now before I get out of here. So I didn't really read the reviews on the balance supplement. This one was $50. So it's enough for a month, 30 servings to take every day. And you guys know I don't play when it comes to my supplements, but I was really intrigued to try this one out specifically because it has hormone balancing properties. It helps with your weight management, improved mood, which is great during that time of the month, and it helps to support your complexion and a brighter skin tone, which is good because I have hyperpigmentation. So essentially it does everything that I could ever want a supplement to do, and that's why I take vitamins anyways, to work on my overall mood, stress levels, my skin, and all of that stuff too. So I'm really interested to try this out, and it doesn't have biotin in it, which I stay clear of supplementing biotin. I'd rather just get it in the foods that I'm eating because I am sensitive towards it, and biotin causes acne. Not for everyone, but for some people. So I know that they have the energy drinks by Alani Nu, and a lot of people love those, but I just can't try them because they have biotin as an ingredient. So that's unfortunate because they seem to have really good reviews. Something I'm gonna try out today after my workout is the BC double A's, and I got the sour gummy. I don't know if this is gonna be good, but it was between this one and sour peach rings. I don't know, I don't think that would sound good, but a lot of people love that flavor. But this is really good post-workout if you guys get really sore and achy. You know, like when you get in a really good leg day and you wake up the next morning and you can barely sit on the toilet, it's because you overwork your muscles and you're tearing your muscles, right? So you have to enable them to recover faster. That's what BCAAs are really good for. So it helps for muscle recovery, endurance, and hydration as well. So super excited for that. And then I just got this same thing for my pre-workout in the Hawaiian shaved ice because I really love this. I really enjoy the flavor of it, and this of course gives you energy before your workouts. It helps with endurance, and it says pump. I don't really know what that means, but it definitely makes me want to do a sweaty ass session. Let me just tell you, this is by far the best pre-workout I have ever tried. If you guys are taking C4, switch over to this one because you guys, the flavor is unlike anything else. So that's my little haul from GNC. I will link those products down below if you want to get them on Amazon. Honestly, I wouldn't even get them on the Alani website because you have to pay for shipping and all that, and I have Prime, so you can get faster shipping and free shipping when you can do it that way. So I'll link those down below for you guys, and maybe I'll take you to my workout today. I don't know. Never work out in sweatpants. Bought these from Target in the workout section. We'll link them down below. They're amazing. They're so cozy. So we're gonna see how that is today, working out in sweats. I just can't be bothered to put on leggings today. That's so good. I don't know. I guess I could make the BC double A's and take them to the gym with me, but I personally prefer to sip on water during my workouts. So I'll save that for after when we get back. So there you go.
Better than feeling like I need your love.
Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Get the feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb.
I am back from my workout. I was in the gym for 91 minutes, burned 626 calories. I actually meal prepped yesterday because I had my HelloFresh delivery, so I don't have to cook tonight, which is great. My fridge is actually packed with so much meal prep. It's gonna be an amazing week. So I'm gonna heat that up, and then later on I think I'm gonna try the BCAAs. I just am not in the mood for liquids right now, so I'm gonna like get my life together, shower, and try to relax a little bit. But I did 35 minutes of cardio, and then I did a lot of upper body like weights and stuff like that. It was like perfect, nobody was over there, so I was able to do that. And then I did a little bit of booty with the ankle weights, so check out the links down below if you guys want to know what I use in the gym for like my gym bag. If you guys want me to do a what's in my gym bag, because I'm all about like bringing your own shit to the gym. Like, I don't believe that you need to have a gym membership to get in a good workout. That's like how my workouts are based. Then let me know if you want that. I'll do an updated one, but for now just check out the links in the down bar. And I really need to clean up my apartment because she really didn't make up her bed today. Leroy doesn't seem to mind. He's just been chilling watching Disney Channel today. Yeah. Say, I'm chilling. Mommy just gave me a treat. Yeah. My apartment is kind of a mess. I have a lot of like small PR packages, dirty makeup brushes, and just like stuff thrown everywhere. So I kind of want to do like a 15-minute pickup so I can really truly enjoy my space and I can relax tonight.
That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Get the feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
I feel like when I take 10 to 15 minutes out of my day each day to pick up my space, one, it's a lot less work at the end of the week if you just wait once a week to clean up. You know, I do a nice deep clean at the end of the week, but every day I'm just throwing stuff around, opening packages, filming, looking at stuff, showing you guys things that my place would be a disaster if I didn't spend 10 to 15 minutes each day picking up after myself. So I definitely recommend that you guys do that. I'll definitely spare you at the end of the week having a ton of things to get done. I'm also doing laundry right now as well. And I don't know, like I'm in the mood right now to declutter my apartment. I do this a lot. What's new, you guys? So I just feel like I need to get rid of stuff. Out with the old, you know? I just need to clean up my space and lighten it up a little bit. So I'm gonna jam out to some Ariana Grande and spend maybe about an hour or so to do that because I'm not really hungry right now, so might as well utilize my time wisely. So hopefully I'll get a nice little pile of stuff to get rid of.